Good day, guys. My name is Hadsapo from Global Climate Change Initiative, and today we are going to be talking about one of the critical challenges facing humanity in today's century. Let's go. So, you might be wondering, what is global warming? Why am I talking about it? What are the causes, effects, and most importantly, what are the solutions to global warming? Don't worry, today's section we are going to be discussing everything intensively about global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term rise in the Earth's average temperature, and this is mainly caused by human activities. It can affect the weather, human health, economy, and the ecosystem.
So one of the causes of global warming is greenhouse gases and the effects. Greenhouse gases naturally contains carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. These greenhouse gases play an essential role in maintaining the Earth's temperature, and without them, the Earth would be too cold to support life. Carbon dioxide is the most significant greenhouse gas released by human activities. Carbon dioxide has risen from about 280 parts per million in the 18th century to over 420 parts per million today. Sources include burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas for electricity, heat, and transportation. Methane, on the other hand, is 25 times more effective than carbon dioxide at trapping heat over a 100-year period. Sources include agriculture, especially in livestock, digestion and manure management, rice paddies, landfills, and oil and gas extraction. Nitrogen, this is popularly known as laughing gas. It is released from fertilizers, that's agricultural fertilizers, livestock manure, and combustion of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuel is the largest single contributor to global warming. Deforestation. Forests absorb carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. So when forests are cut down, not only is the carbon sink removed, but the carbon stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere. Modern agriculture contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emission. Livestock produce methane during digestion, and rice cultivation under flooded fields produce methane. Fertilizer use also releases nitrous oxide. Many industrial processes emit greenhouse gases, either directly or indirectly through energy use. Example, cement production releasing carbon dioxide. Waste management is also inclusive because landfills produces methane as organic waste decomposes. Number 3 is natural factors and their role. While human activities are the dominant cause of current global warming, natural factors do influence Earth's climate, such as volcanic eruptions, solar variability, and ocean currents. Number 4 is urbanization and lifestyle choices. Cities tend to be hotter than rural areas due to the heat-absorbing surfaces like concrete. In addition, consumer lifestyles including energy use, travel, diet, consumption patterns significantly influence greenhouse emissions. One of the effects of global warming is the rising of global temperatures. The average global temperature has increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the late 19th century. While this may seem small, even slight increase in temperature can lead to severe consequences. Number 2 is melting ice and glaciers. Arctic sea ice is shrinking rapidly, especially during the summer months. Glaciers, on the other hand, around the world are retreating, including those in Himalayas and Alps and Rockies. Greenland and Antarctica are losing mass, contributing directly to the sea level rise. Number 3, extreme weather events. Global warming increases the frequency and severity of extreme weather, such as hurricanes, flooding, droughts, and wildfire. And let's not forget about number 4, biodiversity loss. Warming disrupts ecosystems and threatens species that can't adapt quickly. such as polar bears. Polar bears struggle as sea ice disappears. Tropical species face habitat loss due to deforestation and temperature shifts. Bird migration. Patterns change, disrupting breeding cycles. Insects and pollinators are affected, threatening food security. So now we are going to talk about the solution to global warming. And one of the solutions to global warming is transition to renewable energy. This most critical step is to shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources such as solar power, wind power, hydropower, biomass. The second way is to switch to green transportation, that is to promote electric vehicles, public transit. Thirdly, sustainable agriculture, reduce emission, food waste, and meat intake. The fourth is to protect our forests, that we should prevent deforestation, plant more trees. We should also invest in carbon capture, clean tech, and smart systems. Reduce waste, recycle, and design for sustainability. We should teach individuals to reduce their footprint, vote, and advocate. And we should promote awareness, equity, and support vulnerable groups in the education.
Global warming is real, is urgent, and human-driven, but solvable with collective efforts, smart policies, sustainable choices. If we do this, we can save the planet for the future generations. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share to support our YouTube channel. Thank you. I'll see you next time on this very channel. Bye.